Don't miss this 2010 Mazda MAZ-E3. It's equipped with manual transmission and features a graphite mica exterior. With 0 miles, you'll want to take this car home. Make a great choice today. Contact us and see this car firsthand.